right, guys, we have made it over to the Honda meet over at Coggin Andrews Honda in Orlando, Florida. We were able to bring the Skyline out, be able to display it out here with Luis da Silva, and he's going to be doing some signatures and some cars and stuff like that for anybody that's out here today. Guys, there's some fucking awesome Hondas here, and I'm going to make sure I do a quick walkthrough because it's been a while since I've been able to go into an all Honda show, and I love it, which we kind of just crashed it with a Nissan, but hey, it's the Skyline from the movie. Everybody loves it, so we figured why not bring it over here, let everybody enjoy it. We did the release yesterday at Fuel Fest, and it was just an amazing time. So many people loved the car. But we're gonna go ahead, and I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna show you some of the cars. I'm gonna show you some of the booth. Oh, some of my guys here from Speed Zone are here, so we're gonna meet up with them, talk to them for a little bit, check out some of the stuff they brought today for the show, and just enjoy the day, guys. All right, let's go head on over.
Car was. I guarantee 99.9% of the failure.
I hope so. Yeah, absolutely. Whew, little CRX. I love my CRXs.
Yeah, I know. That's one of my favorite. Even the red one.
I got two red.
Huh?
I got two of them.
Oh, you do? I was actually trying to find one. I want to buy one. That's actually one of my funnest cars. Like when I was a kid, I always wanted to. That's the first car I wanted.
That was before. For the NSX, it was a CRX.
Yeah.
Then I got the CRX. And I was like, okay, now I gotta
step it up.
Yes, sir.
There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, like I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Stop bringing in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock, that's this stuff freaking in over hot. Stop bringing in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock, cause we start speaking it over. Everybody will be dancing to the beat on the floor. You will encounter situations never thought of before. Satisfaction's guaranteed if you know what I mean. And when you walk into that door, it's such a freaky scene. Stop speaking in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock, cause we start speaking it over. You ladies interested in the words I speak, we will be rocking like this every night of the week. And all you fellas, tell the ladies don't stop the rock, because you know that we'll be turning all around the clock. I went to a party, and what did I see? The girls were wearing leather skirts and see-through jeans. I asked the DJ to tell me what was going on. He said, freestyle's having a freak-a-thon. Singing in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock, a freak-a-thon. Singing in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock, a freak-a-thon. There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, and I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Girls, we're in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock. Will blow your mind. Girls, we're in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. And the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock. Cause we start freaking ain't no why. We start freaking in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock. Cause we start freaking ain't no why.
All right, guys, we're about to wrap it up here today for the Honda meet over at the Honda Coggin Andrews Honda in I said almost Pensacola. Coggin Andrews Honda in Orlando. Beautiful dealership. They got some cool stuff out here. The cars were amazing. I want to thank Honda Pro Jason for the invite, and we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. We're going to get the car loaded and head back home to the Northwest Florida area, and just keep on going, guys. Keep on working. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll catch you on the next one.